Determining interest and approximate bond value. 8 years ago, Bert Brownlee purchased a U.S. government bond that pays 6.5% interest. The face value of the bond was $1,000. Part A. What is the dollar amount of annual interest that Bert received from his bond investment each year? Well, he received $1,000, which is the face value, times 0.0650 interest, or $65 per year. And interest on a bond is always based on the interest rate times the face value, in this case $65. Part B. Assume that comparable bonds are now paying 6%. What is the approximate dollar price for which Bert could sell his bond? Well, he bought his bond when rates were at 6.5%. And his interest rate's always going to be based on the face value of the bond times the interest rate that's on the bond, which is 6.5%. If interest rates go down and the current interest rate for bonds of that same kind are now 6%, that means his bond will sell for more than $1,000 because the market will make sure that whatever the price of the bond is going to be, it's based on what happens to fluctuating interest rates. So if interest rates go down, bond prices go up. That's in this situation. And if interest rates go up, then bond prices go down. So let's see if we can figure out how much that bond should sell for to equate to the current 6% interest rate. So the way you would figure that is you take the annual interest of $65 on the bond and divide that by the current interest rate, which is 0.0600, and that means that the approximate price of that bond should sell for would be $1,083.33. Then in part C, let's see, did the bond increase or decrease in value? Well, it increased in value. It went from 1,000 to 1,083. And part C2, why did the bond increase or decrease in value? Well, in this case it went up in value because market interest rates decreased.